Welcome back to the Crochet Crowd, as well as my friends at Yarnspirations.com. Have you seen it? It's the Bernat Make This program. There's a demand to get new crocheters involved with the yarn art so that this whole hobby doesn't get lost in time. You're going to notice is that this here is a cardigan that can be made for beginners. So they don't leave anything to your imagination. You will find that the instructions are very detailed, exactly where to stick your hook and the instructions, and it will teach you how to start reading the crochet patterns as you go, showing you the abbreviations step by step, and also there's going to be diagrams that are available to show you exactly what to do. In the future, when you become more familiar with crochet, then you can just get the regular PDFs and start to be able to follow those slowly through the step-by-step of instructions, and you'll find that over in the Yarnspirations YouTube channel. And so this is a really great idea, and you are going to notice more and more patterns that are going to come out that are just designed for beginners so that you can start your journey. I'd recommend this program. It is free, and you can start right away and maybe sitting down and showing people right from scratch on how to crochet and enjoy